Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replenish your old wigs. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me, if you want to see any like fashion style videos, and I'll get those up for you guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here we have this like 5-6 month old wig from Tinashe Hair. It is a wig with a lace closure on it. I'm showing you how ratted and tatted and tired she is. So I'm rinsing her with water first and foremost, just to get the hair a little bit wet. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my OGX shampoo a lot because she needs it. She's dirty, you know, has too much oil in her, too much built up stuff. So that shampoo is really going to be really good at cleansing it. Now here is the lace front. Has built up makeup, built up hair glue and spray on it. So what I do is I put that shampoo right on her and rub her in. Now this is sped up a lot, but I really do take my time with that part just to get as much of the gunk off of that as I can. Then I go ahead and I grab a comb and I start detangling. And when I tell you this wig was matted, it was matted. And that has to do with the fact that I just throw my wigs in a closet. And that's also a reason why I had so much shedding with this unit. I do sell my wefts and all hair sheds, especially if it's curly hair. But the better you take care of your hair, the less it'll shed. And if you're like me and you just throw your wigs in a closet, don't expect for them to not shed when you take them out and wash them. So I just wash it and detangle it. Okay, so here is the finished product after I have shampooed it. It's nice, squeaky clean. I got most of the gunk off of the closure. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the silicone mix. But before that, here's a little bit of the shedding, a little tiny taste of the shedding that I experienced. So here's the silicone mix. This is your standard silicone mix. Everybody uses it. You can get this off of Amazon for like, I think mine was like $8, maybe less. I'll link it in the description box. But yeah, so I start with the closure and then I work my way throughout the wig. You want to make sure that you get each and every strand of the wig. You don't want any strand left untouched. I do go in with the comb, and as you can see, it's already smoother, just the first application of it. So I take out all the knots with the comb. And as you guys can see, there is still a little bit of shedding in the sink. All hair sheds, no matter how high quality it is. But I'm honestly really impressed with how little this hair shed. It shed a lot less than I thought it was going to. So I'm really happy about that. And so after the silicone treatment, I let mine sit for about 2 minutes, and this is how it is looking. Look at that. I haven't even rinsed it out yet. And before rinsing it, it's super soft. I can run my fingers through it, which I definitely couldn't do before. And you can see the sheen on it. It's nice and silky. You want to rinse your wig out until the water runs clear. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my OGX conditioner, and I just wanted to add this just in case there would be any damage done to the hair after the silicone treatment. I don't think there was at all, but just for added reassurance, you know, a little bit extra strength, some extra softness. Really love this conditioner. I use it on my own hair too. So I'm just gonna keep working the conditioner in until the hair is fully saturated, and as you can see, super silky, shiny, smooth. It's way better than it was before to start with, even though it is still wet. Of course, all wet hair looks like shiny and smooth, but when I tell y'all, it was so soft, super duper soft, and barely any tangles or snags. And I'm just going over it and combing out anything that might have gotten retangled when I was putting the conditioner in. And so now I'm washing the conditioner all out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Main Choice Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm gonna once again start with the closure and then work my way through it throughout the whole hair. I applied one more coat after this one. And made sure to comb through the leave-in conditioner so that it saturated each and every strand. Okay, so after the hair is pretty much dry, I grab my ancient Egyptian hair oil and work that all throughout the hair. And this is the hair about 75% dry, and as you can see, it's still shiny and luxurious looking, very plush and soft. The curl pattern is actually there, so much different from when we first started the video. Okay, so as you guys could tell from the intro, this is the finished product. The hair is super conditioned, super nice, soft, and fluffy. The hair is from Tinashe Hair. It's a 20-inch closure, a bundle of 22 and 2 bundles of 24, and they're deep curly, I believe. And this is just kind of all around picture of it. I do think the silicone treatment really helped. I've had this wig for about 5 to 6 months, and since it's curly hair, it is super high maintenance, and as you can tell from my first video, I am a lazy girl at heart, in practice, fully, unconditionally. And so I find a really hard time like maintaining my curly wigs, but I really think the silicone treatment did help. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to try out on my channel, specifically when it comes to hair care, if that's my actual natural hair or wig hair care, tips, tricks. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see y'all later. Bye.